Today, by popular request, chicken parmesan. 2 chicken breasts. Pat them and pound them out. Salt and pepper. 2 eggs. Use some Italian-style breadcrumbs. Half cup Parmesan cheese. And seasoning. Garlic powder. Put it all up. Put it through the egg and the breadcrumbs. I'm both coated and go fry them up. I'm sure I'm getting a lot of comments on this one. Use whatever oil you want to fry these up in. I'm using bacon grease. I add the chicken to the grease. While these are frying up, we're gonna add some Rao's sauce to the pan. Use whatever sauce you want or make your own. I'm using Rao's. All right, this is what it should look like. I'm gonna add it to a pan that's got the Rao's in there. Sauce on top, the oven at 400. These were only in for about 10 minutes, internal temperature 165. We're gonna add some shredded mozzarella cheese. The broiler just to melt the cheese. Served over some spaghetti. Put a little more sauce. Calling this marinara. Fresh parsley from the garden. Parmesan cheese. Look how juicy. Paired with a cap blend from Walla Walla. Kidding me?